Hello my beautiful people, I am back at it again. As you can see, I got a mop from the TikTok shop and I want to see how well it can clean my floor. I've already got all my dishes cleaned up, got my stove scrubbed, but I need to handle this floor. I had family over for the weekend and it got a little nasty. You can see all these little spots. Okay, a lot of spillage happened. A lot of little stains going on here. So we're gonna see. We're gonna check it out. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and see what it does.
I think I like this little life. Coming up short, never quite knowing what for. Being a lost cause, all the same. Hey, but you and I both look in those eyes and I know.
Okay, as you can see, it did a pretty decent job. The floors look really good, actually. There were a few spots that I felt like I had to give it a little elbow grease. The pads were a little softer than I like, but it did the trick. I definitely wouldn't mind using it just to go over the floor on a light day. For the heavy scrubbing, I would definitely use like a steamer, because I do have a steamer mop. But yeah, this is great. I like it. It did the job.